Hide your sweets?
Yeah, away from you. Little sticker on there.
What do you mean just a little sticker? This should be Martin's tutorials, that was really good.
Oomph. Woofy.
It looks sexy. Action. Hi guys, welcome back to another video back on the Driven 24/7 Automotive YouTube channel. Now, I like to think that you guys never know what you're going to expect from my YouTube channel. I'm all about all sorts of cars here. As hopefully you guys know, I am just an out and out petrol head. I like everything, I'm not particularly fussy. So, for example, today I am filming a Mercedes SLK, which actually belongs to my beloved fiance Martin. This is his car. He's had it for around maybe 2 to 3 months now. I have to clarify with him. I'm also going to get him on the camera, back on the channel, and we are going to talk about his SLK together. How cute. Okay, so Martin, my fiance, is here.
Hi there.
Remember last time you were in a video, we filmed, what was it, your Fiesta?
ST Fiesta.
Yeah, that was the last time we did a proper video together. Obviously you do feature in a few of my videos. You are the backbones of Driven 24/7. You're very supportive of what I do. Anyway, lovey-dovey stuff out the way. How long do you think you've had this car for? About 2 or 3 months now?
Yeah, about 3 months, yeah.
And what is it then? The Mercedes SLK?
2.8 V6, 228 horsepower.
And it is a 7G Triptronic automatic gearbox.
Yeah.
It's got a sports mode on it as well.
Yeah,
so
comfort mode and sport mode.
So although this isn't the AMG, that's obviously would be the step up for you if you were to upgrade this, but it still shifts for what it is.
Yeah.
Not being an AMG model.
Yeah, it still goes well.
This is also, we've got a private plate on this car. Martin's got his private plate, but it is a 2007 57 plate. This isn't the first SLK you've had either, so what did you have before
I had
this?
an R170, an older one, the first model they'd done of these.
So what year was that?
R-Reg.
R-Reg. And since you've had that one, you've always wanted to upgrade to a newer one.
Yeah.
So we also talk about the fact that you are a bit of a convertible man at heart. So you've had the R170 SLK previously. You also had
I had a little street car.
But it wasn't just a street car,
It
was
was
it?
a limited edition one of 500.
It was a red edition, so that had the red leather. So unfortunately that never made it to the channel because you sold it. So, but the street KA was it was so much fun, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was good fun. Yeah.
Recently, you would have seen on the channel we had Martin got himself a Honda Aero deck. It was just a cheap little run around. We both didn't really like the car, did we? No. The story with this SLK.
Bought it from a local dealership, not far away. Saw it once. Went away and thought about it for a while. Was off to look at another car. Then on the way to look at that other car, I stopped in to look at this one again.
It was still there, yeah.
And bought it.
So Martin, yeah, test drove it without me because he was on his own when you first saw it. And then, yeah, we drove past it. I was with him at the time. Took it for another spin together and the deal was done, wasn't it, really?
Yep. Picked it up a few days later.
So although Martin hasn't had this car very long, you always modify your cars a little bit, just like I have. So we're going to have a little walk around and we'll show the guys what you've done. Because you've done some nice little touches so far.
I just tend to want to do subtle things, not big jobs, just subtle little improvements. I was always told less is more. So sometimes when you do less modifications, it shows up more.
And you're more about, me too, styling. So like I said, we'll go over the car. It's more styling stuff. Martin's maybe got some future plans. Why Mercedes?
I just love that build quality. It's just so solid. And it's just, even though you've got an older car, it feels like you've got a new car because it just drives so nice. And
it's worth pointing out, although this is obviously a 2007 used vehicle, it is in very good condition.
Oh yeah, yeah. Not many owners.
Yeah.
Full Mercedes service history, so it's been well looked after, well garaged as well. It
is a convertible. We'll also get the roof down in a minute, but let's do a walk around then, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
What I wanted to do, I wanted to paint the badge. They're normally silver, but I liked it black because these vents are black on the silver. So I painted that black myself with some lacquer on, so I'm quite pleased with that.
Not bad effort.
Not bad for me. Number plate surrounds with the badge. I like them in black. I do like the black on the silver. The headlights professionally cleaned because they were a bit foggy. They make the car look newer. Looks brighter at the front.
Also got the front sensors on here, as Martin previously just said.
which is good for me because it is quite a long
It is,
nose.
isn't it? Yeah.
It dips down. 17-inch alloys that I am contemplating whether to paint or leave them as they are in their natural colour.
We haven't seen that many design on these, have we really?
No.
A lot of different
They
wheel
do
designs.
They do come with a lot of different wheel designs.
Yeah.
I haven't seen too many with the wheels I've got.
No, I haven't.
Which I quite like, but I am toying with the idea of painting them, but whether I will, I'm not sure.
Yeah. Important thing
There's
to
a little-
notice.
Little sticker on there.
What do you mean just a little sticker? The wheels, you haven't done anything to them. They're in really good condition. There's not too many marks on them and stuff.
They're not corroded. There's a couple of dear little blemishes here and there, quite random, but they are in good condition. Yeah, the centre caps are still nice and blue. They're not all scratched.
Onto the rear now, which I absolutely love, but this is because Martin has tinkered with it, shall we say. So, explain.
I had the lights professionally tinted. Normally there's 3 grades, so I've had the middle grade done, which I liked. So the lights were tinted on this higher level one. Again, it's got the number plates around, and I done these myself, blacked the badges out on the back. I polished up the tailpipes on the exhaust to give it a nice shine.
I think it looks really nice from the back. I mean, Martin's obviously done the tinted rear lights with the number plates around, just black, and yeah, I mean, this angle with the exhaust, the thick tyres, it looks sexy.
Another thing I'm thinking about, just to give it that V6 a little bit more of a roar, is changing the exhaust a little bit, just to give it a bit more oomph, a bit more growl.
It sounds
I'm only
okay,
thinking about it. When I put it in sport mode, I can hear it all right. Yeah, so as well as getting the lights tinted professionally locally, I am going to get these strips done up here. He's going to do these black gloss for me because they're notorious on these. They do fade in the sun. The other little Facebook site that I joined, the SLK Owners Club, guys and girls all over the country, and some of the clubs are all over the world, and they've been really helpful. And we're going off on a cruise round locally, the Jurassic Dorset. So yeah, that's all good. It's good knowledge to pick up tips.
Yeah, they're all friendly on there, aren't they?
Yeah, they're really nice people, yeah.
And yeah, we're off out after filming this video, which I'll film in another video. We're going to go on a little chippy run, aren't we? Meet some of them that we've never met before, and obviously other SLK. So again, just talk about SLKs would be nice for you, innit?
Yeah.
The bodywork's really good in this car. We believe it might have been garaged, and when Martin got it home and started, washing out as you do and stuff to your own car, we think it might have had like a ceramic coating on it, but the bodywork just looks really, really good condition. I think silver really suits the car. Although Martin's toying with maybe changing the colour of the wheels, I just think, as they are personally, I mean, we both agree, they are really nice looking wheels. They've kind of got a bit of a chrome kind of real shiny effect, but yeah, it looks really good. Martin's done some real nice touches to the rear, which I think, yeah, just really adds to the car. I think it's always nice to put your own little stamp on your car.
So inside it is quite a small cockpit. Obviously it's only 2 seats. You've got black leather seats, the automatic box, you've got steering wheel controls, radio, cruise control, operate the roof from here, electric wing mirrors.
Electric windows, obviously.
Yeah, electric windows, one touch up and down. We've got the blind up on here, big centre armrest here, with a big compartment in there.
Now, we didn't think that opened, did we?
No, that is quite stiff, to be fair.
Yeah.
But it does open. Yeah, it's just a nice place to be in. It's all cosy and
sound system in here, although again you're toying with upgrading the radio, this hasn't got what could it have, maybe sound system
Harman in it.
Yeah, and it hasn't got that, but it still sounds really good.
I think it's because it's small in here, so therefore the speakers are very good. You do get quality speakers in Mercedes, and even though it is a 2007, the speakers are very woofy.
And interior, again, it's a used car. It all looks absolutely new. Because it's a Mercedes, you get thicker carpet, carpet mats and silly stuff.
The leather's still fine. It's not dated. I have creamed it up and gelled it up to bring them back to life a bit. But it's all a nice place to be in here. Got little compartments here.
Yeah, I don't really know what the point of that. Ah, you put tissues in there.
I put my tissues in there.
So there is a point of it.
And there's a little compartment there.
Little glove blocks, little nets as well.
Yeah, some nets behind the seats as well.
Is there?
Yeah.
What, behind the backs of them?
Down on the floor.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Down there. There he is.
Hide your sweets.
Yeah. Away from you. One of the other good functions this car has is automatic wipers and automatic lights, which is handy. Onto the boot, you can still put the roof down, but your bags must be underneath that shelf. They mustn't be up higher. To have the boot for all your shopping, you can release that, and then that goes in and you can use that whole boot. But why this shelf's in that position, you can't put the roof down. To have the roof go down, it has to be in that position.
This should be Martin's tutorials. That was really good.
Obviously, when it's like that, on a wet day,
yeah,
you've still got a lot of boot space.
It's going to demonstrate how the roof goes down, because on a lot of these hardtop convertibles, it's quite interesting to watch. So go for it, Martin. I'll get a bit closer because it's you got the rear quarters go down, the main windows go down a little bit, the boot opens pretty much, the roof glass comes off. It's fascinating to watch. The little shelf and those little bits spin out. It's amazing. Then it will do. The windows automatically back up, but the quarters stay down. Didn't take long at all, did it really?
Now the roof is down, you can see the windbreaker to stop Amber's hair messing about when we're driving.
What about yours?
Obviously not mine.
Oh,
mine
yeah.
Doesn't move. And Mercedes factory fitted, you've got these little reversing sensor beepers, so I can see these in my interior mirror, and they'll go from amber to red to let me know that I'm close to the target.
Target. Yes, you've also got one for the rear, you've got one for the front.
For the front on the dashboard.
Very handy. It's like a reverse camera before its time, really. And there's also a feature on this car where you can do the roof up and down. Only when you're going slowly. You couldn't do this at motorway speeds, obviously, but it just looks really, really cool. That's so cool. So that's it for this video. Thanks to my fiance Martin for braving and being on camera.
Again.
You're getting used to it now, actually.
I'm slowly getting better at it.
Yeah, done well.
Slowly.
And obviously this car isn't going anywhere.
No, I love it. I'm going to keep it for a while. Perhaps one day I might be able to afford an AMG one, but this will do for a while now.
And then, like I say, Martin might do a couple more little styling touches, maybe exhaust, a little bits of improvements, but it's all just improvements. The car doesn't need it. It's just personal choice, really, and taste, isn't it?
Yeah, I might do. I might not.
We'll wait and see. You might not see this car too much on the channel because obviously it's not a project car by any means. It's an up together, really nice car. So let us know in the comments what you think of Martin's car. Are you also Mercedes lovers? I wasn't I? I had my nice C200 I liked. And I liked your previous SLK as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Well done, Martin.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
See you later.
Recently purchased SOK. Hang on.
Wait. You'd release this.
Action. Just got to make sure I'm in as well. Move that way a little bit. Yeah. And the deal was done.
Done.